Hey everyone, today I will show you how to make block in Wix using your mobile phone. Now, for this, first open your Wix app from your mobile, then logging into your account, and after logging in, you will see your site from here. Then tap on your site. Then from your side you will see a bunch of options here. Then from here, tap on add. Then you will see blog post, tap on it, and you can create post from here. For create post, you can write your post here. First add a title here. For example, I'm selecting I'm typing a title. Then you can start writing post here. You can add image and more. So to write your post here, after writing your post, if you want to add something, then tap on plus icon, and then you can add image. You can add video, or you can also add gif file. And if you want to edit your text, you can just select the text here. Then if you tap on V icon to bold this, if you tap on I icon, it will be italic. And after confirm everything, then tap on next. Then you can save it as a draft, or you can save it and publish to save. And if you select save and publish, it will be saved, and it will be published. uh, you can share it with your friends. It For series post, select bio post, and that's how you can make blog in Wix using your mobile phone.